Welcome back again to my channel for another unpacking of Pokemon cards. Okay, and here we go, and this gonna start it up because there is already right here. So as you can see, another Silver Tempest and a tin of a tin of um, Paldea Evolved. So okay, so I'm gonna start it up with this one. So let's gonna open with this Silver Tempest. Okay, so let's check this one right here. So I think they are the same. Yes, okay, they are the same. uh Holographics. Okay, okay, and I think nothing's been the same. And another Snorlax VMAX and a Tapu Koko and a Meowth VMAX. So I already have that. I already have that uh, cards. Okay, I think I have that card already. So I think this Silver Tempest is full of holographic. Okay, Malamar, Pincursion, Eldegoss, and a Toxicity VMAX, and a Davul, Sandaconda, Victini, and a Celebi. So, Celebi, okay. Celebi, okay. And okay, the last one is, let's gonna go with this one right here, okay. Oh, why is it so hard to you? Why is it so hard for you to open? Okay, and okay, here it goes, and another, okay, okay, another Lapras VMAX, okay, another Lapras VMAX over here, and an Inteleon V, Dragapult, Capiraja, Phalanx Zamagenta, Sableye, and a Wobbuffet. So nothing new in this Silver Tempest. Nothing new in this Silver Tempest. And let's go over here. And what is this one? Oh, it's a Coridon. Yes, it's a Coridon. So let's gonna check this out. Okay, let's gonna open this one right here, and we have some Miraidon EX. Wow, nice one. Okay, reverse hollow. Okay, we got some reverse hollow of a Miraidon EX. So right here is, we're gonna go some okay, right here again puts they put some Play Pokemon TCG Live official Nintendo seal. So it is a seal, or like I say, it is a seal. So but there is no promo code. So this one is, there's no promo code, so I think this one is a fake one. So original one. But if I want to scan this on the, if I want to scan this in the, okay, look at that, the last one. So if I want to scan this, if I want to scan this in my Pokemon TCG, I think it will be right. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, so I think it will be you know, I think it will be an original one if I want to scan this in my Pokemon TCG Live game. Okay, so another Floatzel, Armarug, Tarantula, Miraidon, Oinkolon EX, Armaru Full Art, Bayonet EX, Miraidon EX, okay, Miraidon, but it is not a reverse full art, okay, and then a Wiglet, Vivillon, Pachirisu, okay, Ariulo, Bombardier, Quaquaval. So I already have the Quaquaval. Okay, I already complete the Paldea starters. Okay, Toad School, Cititan, Oincolon EX, Gardevoir EX, Dondozo Full Art, Pachiriso Full Art, Arcanine EX, Scovillain Full Art, Arboliva, Dolly Full Art, Great Tusk EX, Gardevoir EX, Iron Threads EX, and a Torkoal Cockburn. Also, a Magneton, kay Houndoom, Coridon EX, Clancher Full Art, Alo Momomola, okay, and also a Go-Go. So, and a Speed Ups EX, Arcanine EX, a Meowscarada, okay, and a Magnezone. Okay, right there. So, what is this one? Okay, and a Breloom. Okay, and a Miraidon EX, right? And then a Speed Ups EX. Okay, they're right here. So, Speed Ups EX. Let's gonna find this out behind the Speed Ups EX. Okay, let's gonna find out what is this one. Okay, okay, what is this one? Oh, it's an Omastar V. Okay, it's an Omastar V. So let's gonna check this out. Okay, let's gonna check this out. Okay, whoa, okay, let's gonna check that out. And what is this one? So I think it's an Oikolon EX. Whoa, nice. Okay, that is a one heck of a yeah, one heck of a what is this called? Okay, nice peak over here. So I'm gonna have to pull another. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna have to pull another is because it is only uh, uh a minute. Okay, okay, it's only 7 minutes of my vlog that I do, so I think I have to open another. So I have this two crown zenith over here. Okay, uh mini mini booster box. Okay, so I'm gonna check this out. Okay, I'm gonna check this out also. Okay, and then I think it's the same one. I think it's the same, right? It's the same. I think it's the same. Okay, let's gonna go check it out. Oh, it's an Ho. Oh, okay. Nice one. Ho O E X. What? And it's an also an Umbreon. Umbreon EX. Dioxys. Oh, okay. A Genesect EX. A Gardevoir EX. And a Lucario Basic. And Alakazam. Yes, wow, look at that. I have now an Alakazam. Okay, and also an Incineroar. Okay, Decidueye EX. Shaman EX. Mewtwo EX. Wow, gano. Nice one. And an Aegislash EX. A Tauros GX. Primarina EX. Latios EX. A Zygarde. A Golisopod GX, Crocodile EX, and a Glaceon EX. Wow, okay. Espion? What? Zekrom EX, a Turtonator, an Helios Spray EX, and a Ash Greninja GX. Wow, right? Wow, nice one over there. So I'm gonna have to what is that one? I'm gonna have to put that one uh, into the evolutions. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that one in the evolutions. Look at that. So will you look at that? So right here are the GEX EX. Okay, there are EX right here that it is not a uh, not in a holographic. Okay, not in a holographic, and also this one right here is in a holographic mode. Okay, it's in a holographic GX. Okay, this one right here, and also this one, the evolutions. Okay, gonna have to collect this also. Gonna have to collect the evolutions of the evolutions GX and EX. Okay, and it's gonna open the last one. Okay, let's gonna open the last one. Okay, another one right here as the same, another right one as the same color as this one. So let's gonna flip this up, and another Umbreon GX, Adioxys. Okay, Genesec again, Gardevoir, Locario, Alakazam EX, Incineroar EX, Decidueye, Shaymin, Mewtwo, Aegislash, Tauros. Okay, Primarina, Latios, Zygarde EX, Galisipa GX, Crocodile, Glaceon, Espion, Zekrom, Turtonator, Helios Spray, Ash Greninja, and a Genesec. So, okay, it is it's just a redundant, okay. I'm not expecting it. Okay, it's just a redundant or relevant. So this one right here is also have some clone. Okay, have some clone. Okay, there you go, there you have it, clone. But I want, I just want to have each one of this. I just want each one of this, and I'm gonna have to put that one right here. So I just want to have the, okay, so the missing one is Leafeon, Jolteon, and Vaporeon, I think, right? So I think that's what, Leafeon, Jolteon, Vaporeon, and a Sylveon. Okay, so there are seven evolutions, right? I think there are seven evolutions. Okay, and then just gonna go a quick recap. Okay, so some basic cards over here, basic, and a reverse VMAX, reverse holo VMAX cards, and another Magnezone. Okay, okay, another, okay, full art. Okay, why are you here? Okay, why are you there? Okay, there you go, full art. Bayonet AX. Okay, what are you doing right there? So, okay, and then Miraidon, legendary Pokemon from the Scarlet and Violet. Okay, Pokemon Horizons, and also the pulls for the day, Oinkolo EX, and then also some reverse holo EX. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing of Pokemon cards, and also another vlogs. Okay, and also from other vlogs from my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So see you again on my next video.